This is my DIY no-cut shelf that saved me so much space in my closet. It has a place for me to hang my clothes and store things up top. Are you like me and have a closet that looks something like this? Today, I found a way to organize and declutter my wardrobe. So let's go to the hardware store and get some supplies. Now that we have all of our materials, let's start with sanding our board. Sanding is very important to do before painting because it ensures your project is a smooth and clean surface. I used an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper. You can also sand by hand, but it just takes a little bit longer. Make sure you sand the top, bottom, and all four sides. Now that we have a smooth surface to work with, it's time to paint. For this, I chose a paint color that works with the colors in my room and a matte finish on the paint as well. I prepared by pouring some paint in the tray of the mini roller I bought earlier and then evenly rolling paint across the whole board. After your first coat, try and look for spots you missed, and even try painting from the other side to fill in missed spots. Pro tip, paint the bottom first as practice so the top looks better. I got creative and painted the bar by adding thumbtacks to the ends and resting them on sawhorses while I was painting. The next step isn't necessary, but I chose to paint my shelf mounts. If you choose to do this, be sure to sand them before you apply a primer. If you want to be just like me, remember halfway through the primer job to paint in a well-ventilated area. I chose to paint the brackets the same color as one of our go-karts for a little personal touch every time I look at the shelf. Last step is to attach the brackets to the board. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. And the best part is you can change it however you want to fit your needs. Right now it's summertime, so I like to keep my t-shirts up here, even my go-kart helmet. Right around the corner is fall and winter, so I'll switch out my t-shirts for some sweatshirts. The holidays are right around the corner, so it's a great place to decorate too. And you can totally modify the shelf to fit your needs in different ways. If you chose to build this with me, I really hope you enjoyed the building process and can benefit from it in your day-to-day life, just like I do. And if you chose to watch just because you enjoy our videos, you enjoy videos like this, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you all for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. It helps us out so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.